You want to open a Ruya Bank account online, a completely zero balance account in UAE. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process to open your Ruya account. You don't need any documents. All you need is your UAE Pass and you have your account in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Once you have downloaded the Ruya mobile banking app, open this app and tap here on Open an Account. As you can see on the screen, the Sign Up with UAE Pass prompt will open. Simply tap on Sign Up with UAE Pass. Remember guys, our account will be ready in just 4 easy steps. 1. We'll register with our UAE Pass, confirm our identity, enter personal information, and then select our account type. So simply tap on the Start button, allow UAE Pass to share your Emirates ID, your visa with the Ruya Bank app. Give your consent by toggling this button on and then tap here on Send Documents. You will automatically be led back to your Ruya banking app, and now our next step is confirming our identity. Simply tap here on the Proceed button. Make sure you have enough light in your environment, and then tap on the Start button to take yourself. Make sure your selfie looks good and proceed to step number 3. It is at this step that you have to provide your personal information. Start with your country of birth, your marital status, number of kids, and monthly expenses. You can also set your mobile number as your customer ID by tapping on this Yes button and then continue. Answer the tax declaration question, agree to the terms and conditions, and then move on to providing your employment details. Select whether you're employed, enter your job title, and then your monthly salary. Remember, this is a zero balance account and has no minimum salary requirement. Even if your salary is just 1,000 dirhams, you can open an account in the Ruya Bank, okay? Once you have entered all your employment details, go ahead and enter your residence address and then tap on the Continue button. Guys, select your source of income. For the sake of this video, let me choose salary and then move on to the last and the most important step. Selecting your account type. First, agree to the terms and conditions. Then, as you can see, we have a current account, a savings account, and a kids account. Which of these 2 accounts is a zero balance account? Selecting between the current and the savings account is a matter of personal choice. That's why I chose to go with the savings account, which is free for life, has no minimum balance or average balance requirement. So, the Ruya Standard Savings account is completely a free and a zero balance account. So, once you have selected your account, submit, and congratulations, your account application has been received by Ruya Bank and your account will be activated in 2 to 5 business days after your documents have been verified. For a meanwhile, you can head back to your Ruya mobile banking app and request for your Ruya debit card. You can activate it and start making transactions immediately. So guys, if you want to learn about the other top 3 zero balance accounts in UAE, the video up next is for you. And that's how you open your Ruya zero balance account with a small salary and no documents are needed.